Hi everybody, happy 2019. I'm wearing my star shirt, I don't know if you can see, because I wish you a very bright 2019. As you move forward in the year, this is always a great time to check your credit score. From the real estate perspective, you always want to know what your credit score is so that if you want to apply for a loan, you have an idea of what range you fall into. Everybody gets to check their score once a year from 3 different companies. The mortgage lenders typically use the FICO scoring method that starts out at about 300 and goes up to 850. 300 being the lowest you can get, and 850 is perfect, the highest score. And once you know these scores, you can go back and make some changes and modifications that can potentially bump you up into a higher credit score, which could save you lots of money every month on a mortgage loan. So the first thing you want to do is go to annualcredits.com and you can download your free credit score. And then look at it carefully. Sometimes there are mistakes that are not correct but are hurting your credit score. So you can fight those, call up the credit companies and make sure they make a note so that it will not ding your credit score. Another thing you want to do is have 3 open lines of credit. That could be 3 different credit cards. That could be a credit card and an auto loan and a student loan. Really, the lenders just want to see that you're being consistent and you're paying back the money you owe every month, so that later on when they lend you money for a house, they know that you have a outstanding record of paying things back on time and you'll pay them back on time. Another thing you want to do is make sure that you don't go above 30% of the balance or the lending capacity on your credit card. If it's a credit card you use a lot and you do go above that 30%, one thing you can do is you can call up your credit card and you can ask them to increase the limit. It's not too painful and it's not too hard to do. Another thing is don't close those old lines of credit. So when you pay down your credit card or when you decide you don't want the Nordstrom Rack credit card, don't close it. Just make sure you pay the balance every month and hang on to it. And also, if you do think you're going to be buying a home or applying for a loan in the near future, try not to open up more lines of credit and obviously try not to take out a giant loan. Your credit report has a great impact on the mortgage rate that a bank or a mortgage broker is able to lend to you. So go ahead and make sure you are up to date and you know what your score is so that you have a good idea of what you need to do to get it higher or what bracket you're in. If that's a bracket you're happy with, then you can go ahead and move forward. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. All right, have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.